Hey, yo, web traveler! Is this even real? Look how large this box is. It doesn't even fit in a frame. Oh my god, what the hell? Look at all this shit. I also have a promo pack with it, and from a feels, it's a freaking metal card. I'm gonna pull out the packs. Jesus, that's a lot. Just to see how much it is together. I mean, I know the amount, but I mean visually, right? Oh my god, that's insane. So this are all the packs that are in here. That's insane. Let's take a look at the other things that we got. We have pins. That's also something new. Got a Story never really got anything apart from the cards. So seeing them adding other shit is kind of interesting, although I'm personally not into those. They're also quite large. I imagine them a little bit small, I guess. And I think everything is Genshin Impact. We have Mona. This one I like. Mona is my favorite. Alright, I don't know the names of all the Genshin Impact characters. But I'm gonna go fast through these, because it's not my hype. But it's cool to see. It's cool to see. They're quite alright quality. The shine is beautiful. Then we have this. I have no idea what this is. It's also looking very sketchy. Do you have like bonus points in this set that you can change for something else? What is this? You suck. I don't know. Let me open one more to see if it says something different. It says something different. I'm probably gonna find out, but if I do not, please let me know in the comments what the hell I need to do with those. Then we have like the last things that I didn't put out of the box. Wait, what the fuck? A little bit of anal beads. That's alright. What the hell, man? Never ever have I seen something like this. So you can do, and then you see the sparkle and the water. That's interesting, man. First of all, I don't know the character. Second of all, like I can't display this in my card binder, right? So it's hit or miss with those things. Although I found it very creative, I wouldn't like to have like a stack of them. I understand where the anal beads go. It goes like this, and then you can use it, I don't know, at your purse. I can make it, but you get the idea. All right. my wife will do it for me. We have a freaking metal card in magnetic sleeve, which is like, bruh, thank you for that. I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna see it. Okay, the back. The back is a face reveal. You know, you're not getting it until we hit 100,000 subscribers. So it's gonna be a while. Probably when I'm 80 years old, then you can see my face. Before we start opening packs, there's something else. We get extra magnetic card holder, which is kind of cool. And we have an... What the fuck? That's a thick card, and I need to peel it off. Dude. Dude. What the hell? Oh my god, it's sticky. It's sticky. It's very annoying. Awesome. Again, I don't know the character, so I'm kind of sad about that. But it feels nice. Without further shenanigans, let's just go straight to the packs. Jesus, man, that's the longest intro ever. I already know that we have 3 cards in each pack, and the last one is a hit. And we get Nagasaki Soyo. No idea who that is. Hey, got a Hittery, that's nice, nice. That's the back, by the way. Yo! Urasai Ultra, love it. Different color back, and probably this also a different color back. So they're thick, but they're not that thick. Like this kind of thickness, I can dig, I can understand. The only thing I don't really like is the square edges, but even there, they made them little bit round, which makes it a little bit more difficult to damage them. Again, no idea who those are. This looks kind of cute. And we have an MR. I don't want to display this chickaroonie. Okay. I believe that's Loveleaf. Yup, that's definitely Loveleaf. If it's not, I'm Joker. We have this chick. The shine is kind of cool. Shine is good. Oh, yo! AR! Look at the shine, it's so beautiful. That's... what is her name? Oh my god. You know. If she was real, I would be dead by now. Because I couldn't remember her name. So far, I actually love this box. I opened only a few packs. I've seen some cool characters, good cards. There's a lot to this box that I haven't seen the other boxes doing. Don't get me wrong, don't put the freaking pins everywhere, but it's just nice to see some kind of surprise. So be creative, make your box stand out, and they definitely did a good job with that. We have another MR. I'm not that big of a fan of the SRs, they are not that special. This also are everything from the same series, I believe, because they are looking cute and they have all like stuffed animals. We have a Sailor Moon Ultra Rare. Alright, again, no idea. Don't... Alright! HR, first of all, how the back is looking, pinky, alright. Second of all, Edge Runners, hell yeah. So guys, let me know in the comments if you like this box and if you're gonna buy it. It's a little bit on the pricey side, not gonna lie, but I think it's worth it. Especially if you can get it on sale, like maybe $10 off. That would be definitely be a good purchase. Hey, that's Steiga. Nice. Cool, MR. If you want to buy this, there will be a link in the video description where I bought it from. And that's the seller that I buy almost everything from AliExpress. And if you're there and you're buying a box, after buying, message him tcgcomrade. Hey, another AR, let's go. If you message tcgcomrade after buying a box, he will include one extra promo pack for you into your order. Because we are tight like that. Okay, man, so many characters I don't know. Evangelion Asuka Ultra Rare. Once we opened this part, I'm gonna open the promo pack that I got. Okay, probably Love Leaf again. Alright, cute girls. And I'm very curious to see what the big hits will look. Because don't tell me this is the highest rarity I can get. I don't believe it. I don't believe you. Yo! Pantsu, Stalking, I mean. The other one. Awesome. I'm almost done with the first part. Like you saw in the beginning, there are 4 parts with the cards. And I already have so much hits that I want to display. Ultra Rare, that's definitely a bit higher than AR. And I got RAM. Ooh, the fucking back is black. I love it. I don't know if there's a Rin Tosca card in here. I would be happy to see her. Bluebell, no idea. But I don't think, judging from the characters that I've seen so far, I don't think there is a Rin Tosca or anything from Fate really in this box. I see a lot of normie anime waifus. I don't know what does that even mean, but whatever. Sailor Moon, alright, sure. I'm not gonna display her because we already have Sailor Moon card there. And we have another HR, and that is Quintessential Quintuplet, Nino. Serval, alright. I don't even know if it's the double or not. SSR has, by the way, a very good shine, I love that. I've seen so many cute girls, I can't remember them all. We have MR. So far, the highest rarity that we got is Ultra Rare. Okay. Okay. And we got another AR. She's holding a gun. I thought for a second it was a feat. I don't know why. Alright, so now for the freaking promo pack. Let's go. It is a golden card. Yo, that's Genshin Impact. Whoa. That's cool, man. Next part. I hope you're still enjoying this opening. If you don't worry. You will be. I don't know. That's the... Is it? I think that's the first double that we got. Yo! Misa from Death Note. Let's go. It's just that, like, the first 2 cards are not doing much to me. I don't know what animes are those. I never watched that kind of animes. Who the fuck? Little bit of shit here on the card. I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to be there. I don't think so. Okay. Angel Wings. Cool. Okay, same shit. Cute SSR cards. And this Chikoruni. The only critique that I have for this box you don't have very much variety between SR and SSR in the terms of how they feel. Like for me, I don't know a single one character that I've seen from SR and SSR, and they all feel almost the same. When you have that much packs in one box, I think that becomes a slight problem. Not for the people who know the characters, but for the people who doesn't. Like, this feels way different than the other SSRs, although it's still a cute anime girl. Okay, awesome. Awesome, can't wait for my next ultra rare though. But the compliment to this box is, I don't think I've seen any double. Yeah, one, maybe, I don't know. The wipes were the same, it doesn't mean the card is the same. I think that's something, yeah, that's HR. But not getting doubles with so much packs in this box is impressive. Maybe that's the double, I don't know. Yo, MR, CC, let's go! Kanamirana. See, that's what I mean. And then you even gave me, why make MR that's a cute girl when you have like SR and SSR already occupying this purpose? I'm pretty sure that's the first official double. And that's probably the second. Yo! Fate, right? Man, I don't fucking know. I don't know. No, I don't think it's Fate. Is this K-On? I'm pretty sure that's K-On. Ultra rare. Evangelion. Hey, I didn't recognize you. It's a YouTuber. Interesting choice. And then we have this card. Okay. Yo, finally! Finally an SSR that I know. Holy shit. I didn't expect it to finally get it. Oh man, Kana from Dragon Maid. Awesome. Finally the one that I want to keep. What the fuck is this? Digimon? Damn. Yo, what the hell is this? Whoa, that's an interesting dynamic there. Okay, see through without, you know, showing you too much. I love that. Okay, yes! AR. Okay, this has to be an ultra rare. Yup, okay. Pray to God there's something good. Freaking Zombieland Saga. I think that's the name of the anime. Yo, the card looks amazing. So that's probably the highest rarity. I don't think... Ooh, that close. I love that. I don't think we will get more than that. Okay, only the cute girls. I really like this box, but I can see that appeal for the characters is... It's not for everyone, right? Because another to the moon. Because I have like a few characters that I know and love, but if I wouldn't know in advance that I will get like 100 characters that I don't know, I get back to back, right? We have already seen this combi. I think that's the third time. And first ultra rare Sailor Moon double, which is alright. I don't mind getting one. Oh yeah, if I would know that I will not get that many like characters that I know from this set, I don't know if I would buy this for the price that is currently at. As a consumer, right? I'm kind of a YouTuber here, showing things for you, so I couldn't miss out this opportunity, because I think that's definitely gonna be in the history books, because that's the first one that does this kind of crap at this scale. But as the usual consumer, I don't think I would put my money on it. Maybe I would buy a few packs, right, to see. Maybe I get lucky and I get the MR that I really love. But still, I think there's a few consumers that would very enjoy this box, because it has a very strong and good appeal just for certain animes. Oh, nice. Fairy Tail. Haven't seen it. Don't care. But a nice character, I guess. I can't remember if I've seen you. I've seen the art style. So there might be another character that's also the same rarity. Man, I feel dry. It's been a while that I've seen a character that I know. Even this ultra rare, I don't freaking know. Looks cute. Okay, we have a One Piece Nami. Okay, cool. Nami with the short hair, but with a large booba. That's not how it's supposed to be. If the hair is short, the booba is small. If the hair is long, the booba is large. That's how the nature works. All right, last few packs. I'm going kind of fast because, well, I don't know what to say about those characters. Ah man, a double ultra rare, sure. MR double, alright. We're going into uncanny territory with the doubles, I think. I have a feeling. Yep. I have a feeling I will hit them way more often now than I did before. Oh, oops, sorry. Is this also K-On? I think so. Nice legs though. I would assume the very large hits beyond ultra rare were the free cards that I showed you at the beginning, which is kind of anticlimactic, I guess, but it is what it is. And also meaning if you would want to hunt for certain like very high rarity, alright, it would mean you need to buy a lot of those boxes. I don't know how I feel about that. So probably the second market with those large cards would be insane. So if there will be a big character for the very high rarities, then I think those would be very pricey to buy. Also, I don't really know what the basic price would be at the second mark, because if you look at this SR, it's not that like impressive. No offense, I enjoy it, but there are more beautiful cards than this. But because the box is like from $50 to $60, the average price for a pack is way higher than we are used to, meaning the value of this card is higher than we used to, but it doesn't look that great. Like for example, if you're going to buy a usual SSR of the Goddess story, like the normal stuff, no hype character, it would be something about $3. It can go for less, it can go for more, but I think the average would be $3. And you have this card, which also probably will be at average around that price, only because the base value of this box is way higher. But I don't think people will buy that, especially because maybe a lot of people would want to sell this because they have a few doubles of this. Cool, cute. I believe we're still in hunt for one ultra rare, but I'm not sure. I didn't pay attention. Let's pick. Yep, I was correct. There's an ultra rare. Well, a good ending for this video is to get an ultra rare that I don't know. Alright guys, if you watched till the end, you are the biggest legend that I ever known. Because this is gonna be a long video. Let me know in the comments what you think about it and if you are gonna order it or not. Because I'm curious to see how many people are interested in this. It's something else. And I love it for that. But personally, I don't think I would buy another box. At least for the price that is currently going for. Thank you for watching, web travelers, and I will see you in another one.